What's going on, you guys? It's Justin Smitty here. Today I am opening up Breakpoint packages here. Today's video is gonna be something different, guys. And why it's gonna be different is because it's gonna be like a challenge video, guys. I'll put the rules down below in the description. I'll just say the rules right now. Each ultra rare is going to be worth 6 points, so on, so on, so on. So regular rares are like a point, so pretty much you get a point for every regular rare. And yeah, I'll put the rules down below in the description for this for the challenge that me and a YouTuber is doing. The other YouTuber, his name is David Silva. Make sure you guys go check out his channel. Link will be down below in the description. Make sure you subscribe to him as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these challenges we're gonna be doing. The winner doesn't have to do anything crazy on the channel. It's just the loser has to like do anything the winner wants the loser to do. So if I lose the challenge and I have to do something crazy what David wants me to do. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do this, and hope you guys enjoy these little 3 openings. So the full arts are gonna be full art EXs are gonna be like 6 points each. No. The rules are just gonna be in the description. So 3 from the back. So we got a Heatmore, a Fighting Fury belt, Cloyster, Staryu, Scroopy, Petley, Pancham, Growlithe, Reverse Hollow of a Rattata, regular rare is Substriper, so that's 1 point. Like I said, all regular rares are a point, and yeah. If you guys don't think that's accurate or fair, let me know in the comment section. I will change it to regular rares are 0 points. 3 from the back here. Nuzleaf, Dilliqueen, Great Ball. Ooh, focus. Psyduck. What's up? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Clefairy, Slowpoke, Drowsy, Shelter, Reverse Hollow of a Furfur, and a Hollow rare is. It is a rare, I think so. Right, guys? Yeah, I think it's a rare. Is a Slash, so that's 3 points. So Reverse Hollow is, sorry, not Reverse Hollow. Hollow rare are 2 points each. So yeah, so that's 3 points right there. Let's open up our last pack here. 3 from the back, and let's get off here. Okay, so it's Bursting Balloon, Durant, Doublade, a Phantom, Gibble, Shelter, Growlithe, S4, ooh, a break, Greninja. I think I set the break cards for 3 points. And regular rare is a Panico. So that's 4. What was it? for the breaks. I can't remember. I think I put them as 3 points each. So yeah. So let's do a little bit of a recap here. So there's a point because it's a regular rare. There's 3 points because it's a hollow rare. A point because it's a regular rare. And there's another 3 points because it's a break. So yeah. So let's tally that up. So number 2 is 4, 3, 5 points in total. So for yeah, that's how it's gonna go for now. And like I said, the rules are gonna be posted in the description down below. And yeah, make sure you guys go check out David Salvia's channel. He's gonna upload it soon. I don't know, man. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Much appreciate it. And have yourself a nice evening. Peace out, guys.